Idea has recently revised dozens of prepaid plans in the country. And now the telecom operator has started revising its postpaid plans. In fact, the company has already revised its postpaid plans in 4 more circles. That is Tamil Nadu, Kolkata, Maharashtra, Goa and Chennai. This is the second time in 2 months that Vodafone Idea has increased the prices of postpaid plans. The new postpaid plans are available at Rs 649, 799, 999, 948 rupees and 1348 rupees. While other circles, these plans are still the same, such as Rs 598, 749, 899 and 999. This clearly shows that Vodafone Idea is looking at the demand for family postpaid plans, and that's why it is revising the prices in selected circles only. Coming to the first revised postpaid plans, that is Rs 649, where Vodafone Idea is providing 2 connections. First primary and there is a secondary connection. The plan ships 80 GB data in total, where the first primary user will get 50 GB of data and the secondary user will get 30 GB of data. Besides, the primary user will get 200 GB of data rollover facility, while the other person will get only 50 GB data rollover facility. This plan is offering unlimited calling along with 100 messages. This plan was priced at Rs 549. Then there is a plan of Rs 799 where users are getting 3 connections. The plan ships 120 GB data where the primary user will get 60 GB data and the other 2 will get 30 and 30 GB data. It includes unlimited calling, 100 messages to all connections. Then there is a pack of Rs 999 which ships 200 GB data with 5 connections, where the first user will get 80 GB data and the other user will get 30 GB data. Lastly, there is a plan of Rs 1348 where user will get unlimited data. In fact, primary users are getting unlimited data and other user will get only 30 GB data. Furthermore, this plan is offering V movies and TV subscription for 1 year, ZEE5 Premium, Netflix, Amazon Prime subscription worth Rs 999 again for 1 year. Earlier, this plan was priced at Rs 1099. Meanwhile, Vodafone Idea is phasing out its 3G network to offer proper 4G network to its customer. The telecom operator is now upgrading its network in Kerala and informed its customer through messages. Notably, this development comes at that time when both Airtel and Reliance Jio are gearing up for the 5G network. Despite the fact that Reliance Jio is just a 4-year-old in the industry, it is offering proper 4G services in all 22 circles. Similarly, Airtel phased out 3G network, which is followed by Vodafone Idea. In fact, the company has confirmed its development in Bangalore, Gujarat, Delhi and NCR. It is also worth noting that ever since the telecom operator has announced its merger in 2017, it is providing 2G, 3G and 4G network in the country. So guys, that's all from our side for today. Keep watching Gizbot for all tech related news and update. Thank you so much.